For a plant to achieve its full potential, it needs proper care and nutrition. As specialists in the field of growing, we welcome the opportunity to give you all the information you need. Use CANNA Substra Flores together with an inert substrate in a run-to-waste system during the blooming phase. This will ensure that your plant receives all the essential elements it needs to optimize its flowering potential. As soon as the plant creates its first flowers, move from CANNA Substra Vega to CANNA Substra Flores. CANNA Substra Flores is nutrition produced especially for the generative phase and contains more potassium and phosphorus. Nitrogen is needed in addition to potassium and phosphorus. The multiplication of cells starts with the division of the cell's nucleus, which contains the genetic information. The nitrogen is required to reproduce DNA proteins because flowers are built from proteins. The additional nutrition will ensure that the flowers develop and grow to their maximum potential. As soon as the flower has reached its full size, it will start to fade. However, the ovary will remain and swell. This is the start of the next phase, when the ovary will need more phosphorus and potassium. If we look deeper into the ovary, you can see that there is a water compartment inside the cell. This compartment contains potassium as well as water. Potassium raises the EC in the plant and pressurizes the cell. This makes the fruit harder and heavier, which is important for the end result. Each cell attracts water and tries to store this for its own uses. Potassium draws the water up to the leaf where it evaporates. A surplus of potassium means that the leaf will either retain its water or release less. This results in burns, because the water is needed for transpiration or for cooling the leaf. To prevent premature ripening or burning during the ripening phase, give the plant water with no nutrients or reduced nutrients. The plant will continue to take in nutrients until its last day, although this will be in smaller amounts than in the previous phases. The plant can now concentrate on propagating itself. The phosphorus in the fruit flows to the seeds, which encourages their development. Seeds need phosphorus to lock in the energy that they will need to germinate. This energy will ensure that the seeds get a good start. Using CANNA Substra Flores correctly will give you the optimum results every time. And in addition to our basic nutrients, we also offer a range of additives to ensure that you get more from the plant. So don't forget to use CANNA Rhizotonic, CANNA Zim, CANNA Boost Accelerator, and CANNA PK 1314 during the flowering phase, which will result in an even better yield.